Curious if T-Mobile's network is right for you? They've expanded their test drive program to include iPhones with eSIM. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and last week T-Mobile announced that they are expanding their test drive program to now include iPhones with eSIM. But first, what is test drive? They rolled this out in April 2019, and it's a program where you can, test drive their network. What they do is when you sign up for it, they would send you a mobile hotspot device for free, and then a 30-day or 30 gigabyte data plan, whichever came first, to use their network and see if it works for you. If it did, then the hotspot was yours to keep, or you could send it to somebody else to try out the network as well. And then you could go and shop for the T-Mobile plan that works for you. Now what they're enabling, they're still keeping that plan with the hotspot with the hotspot device if that's what you prefer. But if you have an iPhone with eSIM, which would be any model from 10S or higher or newer, then you can just download their test drive app in the App Store and then activate the plan right on your eSIM. It's almost instantaneous. And all you have to do is give them your name, your email address, your phone number, and your zip code. So no information that ties you to Social Security or any billing information. And then you've got a 30-day plan on your phone. They do assign you a temporary phone number that you can text and call with if you want to test out that side of their network. But you also get a 30 gigabyte data plan that you can use on your phone, or you can use as a mobile hotspot off of the personal mobile hotspot feature of your phone to get other devices online. So it's a super flexible way to try out the program. You get a really usable amount of data to really see if it'll meet your needs, and 30 days to try it out, whichever comes first. Now, this is only available to new customers, so they're going to use some combination of that information that you give them as well as the IMEI of your smartphone to determine that you're not an existing customer that is not eligible for this program to be able to enable this. And as soon as you activate it, it does take over your eSIM's plan. So if you have another plan on your eSIM, it will be temporarily deactivated while you have the T-Mobile plan active. And if you have your calls coming in on your physical SIM card plan, you will continue to do so if that's how you choose to configure your phone. And you can also choose to configure the data usage to all go over whichever data plan you want on your phone between the options that you have currently active. With this plan, like I said, mobile hotspot is enabled. It does not include, however, any international roaming. So no taking it into Canada or Mexico or around the world, but you do get 200 megabytes of domestic T-Mobile coverage. So this is specifically to test drive their US network. Super flexible way to try out T-Mobile's network, but it's also a way that you can kind of consider having a backup option with T-Mobile ready to go when you need it. Let's say you get to your next campsite and AT&T or Verizon isn't cutting it, or you've used all of your mobile hotspot data on those plans that you have. If you haven't yet used this T-Mobile test drive program, or you're not currently a T-Mobile customer and you have the iPhone with you, well, you can just activate it when you need it and have that 30-day period. Could be enough just to get you online. And then if you find that T-Mobile's working for you, you can go find a T-Mobile plan that works for you more in the long term. So if you have an iPhone, consider yourself invited to the T-Mobile test drive program. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.